Study habits are really important because they will discipline you to come up with a pattern. It's like any other kind of habit. You need to develop good, strong study habits so that you can actually be successful. There are a lot of things that I share with students in terms of developing study habits. One of the most important things is that they get themselves a calendar, they get their course syllabi, document in their calendar all of their obligations for the semester, and then look for a time, a consistent time, where they can do their studying. And that's where they sit, do their studying, and have it become a pattern for them so they become disciplined. There's a lot of things that they need to look at in terms of good study habits: the timing, the place, a nice quiet place. Also, they need to develop and learn good listening skills and good note-taking skills. And all of this incorporated and sticking to their study plan will help them become successful.